Alright, so we're here at Kuya Fred's house, and I got the rack off the beamer, and he is going to help me fit this up. He's kind of a genius when it comes to making shit work or fabricating. So it looks like the brackets are a pretty good match, so we just have to figure out how to transfer, weld over. So he's looking into it now. So we'll see how it goes. So this is pretty genius. Kuya Fred made a jig, and he's located the position of the fixing points where the pannier will mount. So they will all be perfectly aligned, and then he'll lay the bracket in and do the welding. Pretty smart dude.
Ganyan nga. So I need to move.
Okay, it's almost welding time for the first pannier. So there's Kuya Fred's welder. So right now Kuya's coating the Turtec frame with motor oil so that when he welds, any flux doesn't stick to the metal where he's not welding. Preserve the frame. A trick I did not know. To be honest, I don't know anything about welding, actually. Okay. Power problem solved. So now we got welding. Welding's gonna happen. So right now he's got them tacked in. Knock off the flux. All the crusties. A nice weld underneath.
Okay, right.
Alright, now we're gonna test fit before the final weld. I'm gonna cool off the welds real quick. Little water. Kuya Fred's affixing the capturing posts for the panniers, and then we're going to give it a test. Alright, here's the first trying to get this thing slid on there. Oi! Nice!
Right. Okay.
First go, bro! He basically swagged that. So success on the fitment, and Kuya Fred, ever the perfectionist, he said we're gonna mount it back up in the jig just to make sure nothing moves to do the final weld. Instead of just throwing it on the ground and welding it up, he said those things could move, so back in the fixture it goes, and then he'll weld it up. Then we get to do the other side. So what I've learned is the welding really is the easiest part. It's all the prep and knowing the process and having a proper jig. That's what leads to success. So here we go. We're going to do final weld on this bracket. I say we. Kuya Fred is. final weld on. He knocked the slag off. Pull it off. Re-verify. Should be good. Using the welds a little quick brush. Fred wants this thing perfect, so he's throwing a little silver paint on it. Kuya Fred's getting ready to tack weld the second bracket. All right, now we're test fitting the second rack. Nice.
Okay. Fit.
And nailed it again on number 2. All right. Kuya's putting the final weld now.
Sa weight niya, dalawang baso ng Eric. So, yun
Alright, so here are the racks all ready to go with the mods done. And I just brought the motor back from the car wash to get it nice and clean under the swing arm. So now we're going to get our boxes installed. Let's do it. Alright, so we got the rack frame fitted back onto the bike. And now the only thing left to do is mount the panniers. All right, there they are mounted. A little wide. So, but that's all right. These are for a long trip. So that they're solid.